GoTo Resolve is quickly becoming a game changer for MSPs and IT services, but is it the right fit for your business? Let's dive in and see if it truly lives up to the hype and how it stacks up against its competitors. First, GoTo Resolve offers a streamlined remote monitoring and management (RMM) system designed specifically for MSPs. The core appeal here is its simplicity and ease of use. The interface is straightforward, making it easy for MSPs to start using without a steep learning curve. For businesses that don't want to waste time getting set up, this is a huge plus. But here's the catch: while the interface is easy to navigate, some users feel it lacks the depth of customization seen in other RMM solutions. So, while GoTo Resolve is great for quick deployment, it may not be as flexible for advanced users who need fine-tuned control over their network environments. Next thing, GoTo Resolve stands out for its integrated support features. It includes features like instant chat support, remote access, and ticket management. These are fantastic for MSPs looking to provide hands-on, rapid support to their clients. But if we're being honest, the speed and responsiveness of the support could use some improvement, especially in comparison to more established players like ConnectWise or Kaseya. While it's certainly functional, it doesn't always feel as responsive as it could be in high-stakes situations. The third thing to mention is its pricing structure. GoTo Resolve is often marketed as a cost-effective solution for MSPs, and in many cases, it lives up to that. The affordability is especially appealing for smaller businesses or those just starting out. However, the low cost comes at a price. Certain advanced features, like automation tools or deep integrations, are limited or come at an additional cost. If you need more than just basic monitoring and support, you'll end up paying extra to unlock additional functionality. For some, that may be a deal breaker. The fourth thing is the integration capability. GoTo Resolve does offer some basic integrations with popular tools, but it's not as rich in integrations as some other competitors in the space. MSPs that rely on a variety of third-party tools may find themselves spending extra time managing multiple systems. Other platforms, such as SolarWinds, shine in this area, offering a broader range of out-of-the-box integrations that make managing everything from one interface much easier. Now, to be fair, GoTo Resolve excels in one area that other software options can't compete with: scalability. It's designed to scale with your business as it grows. Whether you're handling just a handful of clients or managing a larger portfolio, GoTo Resolve allows you to expand your operation with ease. This scalability is perfect for MSPs who plan to grow quickly, as it doesn't require significant system overhauls or upgrades to handle increased demand. But here's the twist: while GoTo Resolve has a lot going for it, there are definitely some alternatives that take it a step further in key areas. For example, if you're looking for more advanced automation, better integrations, and stronger scalability, platforms like ConnectWise or NinjaRMM could be a better fit for your needs. Now, for those of you still considering GoTo Resolve, there's a major perk. Through our exclusive link, you can get the best possible free trial for GoTo Resolve, along with some exclusive benefits. But that's not all. We also included some fantastic alternatives that we think will be a better fit for your MSP goals, with free trials for each of them as well. Make sure to check out the description below for more details and get access to these amazing offers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether GoTo Resolve is the right tool for your MSP, or if one of these alternatives can help your business grow even faster. So, don't miss out on those exclusive benefits. Click the link in the description now.